This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Note that the shock absorbers should always be renewed in pairs. Chock the front wheels and engage reverse gear. Loosen the relevant rear wheel bolts and then jack up the rear of the car and support it on axle stands. Remove the appropriate rear road wheel. Prise out the large plastic clip which secures the plastic cover fitted under the trailing arm and rear axle. Unscrew the small bolt underneath the trailing arm and lower the plastic cover for access to the shock absorber lower mounting. Using a jack placed under the rear spring cup, lift the trailing arms slightly. Unscrew the nut and disengage the shock absorber lower mounting bolt from the trailing arm. Inside the boot area, lift the floor carpet to gain access to the shock absorber upper mounting bolt. The floor carpet can be held upwards by attaching the hook to the headrest post. Unscrew the upper mounting bolt and then remove the rear shock absorber from under the car. Offer the shock absorber into position in its upper mounting and then insert the bolt and tighten by hand only at this stage. Similarly, locate the lower mounting bolt and tighten its nut by hand. If a new unit is being fitted, it may be restrained in its fully compressed state by a special cord or strap. Once the unit is in place, this restraining device should be cut. Raise the jack so that the shock absorber eye to eye length is 432.5 mm. At this point, fully tighten the lower nut to 105 Newton meters and the upper bolt to 62 Newton meters. Remove the jack supporting the trailing arm. Refit the plastic cover to the trailing arm, securing with the bolt and round clip. Refit the road wheel. Lower the car to the ground. And tighten the road wheel bolts to 110 Newton meters.